Mamaneho sa kuba. Kita. Okay, Duke. Let's continue. You're going to odd one out, honey. You're going to encircle the word that doesn't belong to the group. Okay? We have here, let's have the first row. We have here the word sing, doll, and cry. So which one here doesn't belong to the group? You encircle. Insert circle. Okay. What is the odd one? In number one, honey, you say the doll is the odd one.
The doll is the odd one.
Number
The
two,
doll is the odd one.
the elephant is
The elephant is odd one.
the odd
The
one.
tree is odd one. The cow is odd one.
Very good. The cow is the odd one. Great job, my dear Duck. You did so well in this part. Now, we are going to have this one. You're going to look and then write. You're going to put he or she can or can't. Number one, for example, he can skate. He can skate because it's a smiley face, honey, okay? He can skate
Yes.
because it's a smiley face. Okay, you put your answers in here, in the blank space. Can or can't? Can, can't. Honey, there's no is. There's no is, so it's just sing. It's just sing, no ing. She can sing. No ing. Very good, Doc. Oh, you forgot the period. You have to remember that when you write a sentence, it should always end with A period, okay?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, teacher's going to help you. Period. Okay, let's have number 4. Honey, no ing. You can't see the word is in the sentence. So you don't need to add ing to the verb. So he can't sleep. Oh, you forgot that by writing a sentence, honey, you should start with a capital letter in the first word. He can't sleep. He can drink. Okay, let's have the number 6.